When people come together. In a world filled with differences, there is one universal truth: when people come together, extraordinary things happen. 1. Unity and diversity. When people of diverse backgrounds come together, they bring with them a rich tapestry of traditions, languages, and experiences. In this unity, we find strength, understanding, and a celebration of our shared humanity. 2. Innovation and progress. In the world of innovation, it's when minds from various fields converge that groundbreaking discoveries occur. When people with unique perspectives collaborate, they unlock new solutions to age-old problems. 3. Acts of kindness. Simple acts of kindness can change lives. When people come together to help others, they create a ripple effect of compassion. In these moments, communities grow stronger and more resilient. 4. Social change. Throughout history, social change has been driven by the collective voices of those who believe in a better world. When people unite for a common cause, they have the power to reshape societies. 5. Family and friendship. The bonds of family and friendship remind us that our connections with others are the most precious treasures of all. When people come together, they create a support system that can weather any storm. Conclusion. In a world that sometimes feels divided, never underestimate the incredible strength that emerges when people come together. Whether for a meal, a cause, a moment of joy, or a vision of a better future, when people come together, they remind us that we are all part of something greater.